Now, how do you implement eco-friendly cleaning practices? Adopt cleaning methods that minimize environmental impact. These include using microfiber cloth, which reduce the need for chemicals and water, and techniques like dry mopping or vacuuming to minimize water use. We also have dilution control systems. Implement dilution control systems for cleaning solutions. This ensures the correct concentration is used, reducing chemical waste and promoting safer use. Provide training for housekeeping staff on eco-friendly practices. This can include proper waste disposal methods, the importance of using minimal water during cleaning, and how to effectively use green cleaning products. What are the importance of reducing waste and conserving resources? Waste reduction initiatives. It helps. Encourage practices that minimize waste, such as reusing linens and towels during guest stays unless otherwise requested. This can significantly reduce laundry loads and conserve water and energy. Implement policies for conserving resources, such as using energy-efficient lighting in housekeeping areas and encouraging staff to turn off the lights and equipment when not in use. Promote awareness among staff and guests about the importance of sustainability. This can include signage that encourages water conservation and recycling within the hotel. The use of sustainable products and practices. Source cleaning products that are biodegradable, that are non-toxic, and are free from harmful chemicals. Look for certifications such as Green Seal or Eco Logo to ensure products meet sustainability standards. Partner with suppliers who prioritize sustainability in their practices, including those who use recycled materials for packaging and provide products that minimize environmental impact. Establish recycling programs in housekeeping operations for materials like cardboards, plastics, and cleaning product containers. Encourage staff to actively participate and educate them on the importance of recycling. Conduct regular audits of the cleaning practices and supplies to access their sustainability. Continuously seek out opportunities for improvement and set goals for reducing the carbon footprint of the housekeeping department. By integrating sustainability into housekeeping practices, hotels can significantly reduce their environmental impact while promoting a culture of responsibility and care for the planet. This commitment not only enhances the guest experience, but also contributes to the long-term viability of the hospitality industry.